Antimicrobial agents have different modes of action. One of the important mechanism of action is cell wall inhibition. So bacterial and fungal cells usually possess cell wall, whereas the host, that is the human, doesn't have a cell wall. So the antimicrobial drugs that inhibit cell wall are selectively toxic to the microbial pathogen. One of the most important drugs are penicillin and cephalosporin, which inhibit cell wall synthesis. So as the cell wall synthesis is inhibited, the bacterial cell gets weakened, the cell wall gets weakened, and the bacteria undergoes lysis. So this penicillins, they contain in their structure, they contain something known as the beta-lactam ring. So this beta-lactam ring inhibits the formation of peptidoglycan cross-links. There is something called transpeptidation reaction. So this penicillin inhibits that reaction, and in which causes the cell wall synthesis to be blocked. So as you can see, penicillin is an antibiotic that is produced by Penicillium chrysogenum, which is a fungus, and they interfere with the final stage of peptidoglycan biosynthesis. They inhibit transpeptidase enzyme. The mechanism of action of penicillin is it inhibits transpeptidase enzyme. So this enzyme is very important for formation of cross links. Transpeptidase enzyme cross links the tetrapeptide side chains in the peptidoglycan cell wall. So this transpeptidation reaction, which is occurred by transpeptidase enzyme, is blocked by penicillin. So bacterial cell walls that do not have these cross links, that do not have transpeptidation, they are very weak, right? They are very weak, and they are attacked by autolysins, that is autolytic enzymes. These enzymes, they lyse the cell wall of the bacteria. So this is how penicillin ends up killing a microbial pathogen, inhibits the growth of a microbial pathogen by inhibiting its cell wall. So in this diagram, in this flow chart, you can see biosynthesis of peptidoglycan. So as you know that peptidoglycan are formed by NAM and NAG, right? NAM and NAG. So once NAM and NAG polymer is formed, then there are the cross links. The tetrapeptide side chains that are present to the NAM, they are cross linked. This reaction is known as the transpeptidation reaction. Transpeptidation reaction, which occurs by the enzyme transpeptidase. This transpeptidation is catalyzed by the enzyme transpeptidase and the beta-lactam antibiotics. Beta-lactam antibiotics like penicillin, they inhibit this transpeptidase enzyme. So as the transpeptidase enzyme is inhibited, it can no longer perform transpeptidation reaction. The transpeptidation reaction doesn't occur, so the cell wall synthesis is inhibited, the cell wall gets weakened, and the bacteria finally gets lysed. So this is how penicillin inhibits cell wall synthesis in a bacteria.